Hey, this is Antti from React Studio. We released new plugin for Firebase Cloud Storage uploading, so you can upload files to Firebase Cloud Storage. What this plugin needs is that you have to have a Firebase data plugin attached to your project, so it gets the Firebase config from there. So in this case, we have the familiar chat room demo project here, and we have few data sheets here with the Firebase plugin configured properly. So what you need is just you need to drag the Firebase Upload plugin, which can be found from the plugins, and you get it by going plugin store and installing the Firebase package. So you need to just drag the Firebase Upload into screen or component, and then select it and apply few settings. So what you need is the storage folder. By default, if you leave this empty, it will go to the root folder. But in this case, we can use YouTube folder, or you can get the folder from the data slot. That is really handy if you need to have a folder structure, for example, like user ID / images or something like that. But in this case, we're going to upload all the files, all the photos in the same directory, and then you can get the file name or the path back to the data slot. And this is really important because when you're uploading file, you probably want to save that path to that file to database after the upload. And then there are a few other settings, which are the width and height of the image. Use these. Be cautious with this because you might end up cropping the image by using these, but you can test them out. So basically, I can run this into simulator, and this is the Firebase storage backend here, and you can see there's just one directory currently, which is called test, but we should have a new directory when we upload the first image. Antti, and maybe I create a new chat room test, and where's the test chat room? Here, and here's the plugin. I can just choose file, and let's select something like this. And there's a spinner here, which I added to the component. And now the file is uploaded because it shows the file name here. And when I click send, it will store the file path into the database. And it happens like this because this stores the path to data slot. So when we do the send interaction, what we do, we have a image column or image field in the document or in sheet column, and we're saving the data slot which contains the image path, and we save that to image field in the data sheet. And then when we show the post, there's the image, and it's linked to image column in the data sheet here. So that's about it. Just go to plugin store and just install the Firebase plugins and start testing it. It's pretty interesting. And by the way, I can show you the file in the Firebase backend. So here's the YouTube. I think we have the YouTube storage folder setting here. Now we have it here. If I click that, and here's the image file, and it's uploaded into Firebase Cloud. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and thank you, and let us know in the comments or just email us hello@neonto.com or something like that, and then just let us know what you think of the Firebase plugin. And by the way, you can edit the plugin code. So just go to plugins and show plugin manager and Firebase Upload. Click edit, and you can edit the code here, or you can just open it in the Finder and edit in your favorite IDE. So thank you, and see you next time.